lecture series of artificial intelligence. This is Swetha, assistant professor working in Rmdec Engineering College in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. So yes, we are in the series of introduction to artificial intelligence, right? So in unit 2, we are having Python programming. Right. So before getting into that, first we have to know what is Python programming and what is Python, right? So yes, let me give the deep intro to Python programming. And is you all know that Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility, right? So it is widely used in various domains like web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automation, and more, right? So it was used in all the domains and all, right? So why we have to learn Python, right? So first thing, uh, uh, getting Python in our mind, first thing we know that it is easy to learn, right? So Python has a simple and intuitive syntax that resembles the English language, right? So next point is versatility, and it can be used for the web development and automations and all, right? So is third one, it's a large community supported, a vast community provides extensible libraries and frameworks to simplify the developments and all. Compared to other language, Python is easy because everything was dumped into the libraries, and it has been given as a single library over there, right? And cross platform, and it's one of the important and most same thing over here is it runs on the environment operating system like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux and all. And there'll be some basic features over here. That means it can be dynamically typed as it, but there's no need to declare the variable types and anything and all. And it's in interpreted language, so that means Python code is executed line by line, making the debugging easier, right? And yes, it's an object oriented, purely object oriented. It's supposed the object oriented programming concepts and all. And HCG libraries that will be providing the libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Flask, and Django. More large and large of libraries were available over there. And if you want to start within Python, what you want to do is you have to install the Python from the python.org, and you just install it and verify the installation by running the Python versions in the terminal or the command prompt and all. And yes, first you just start with then hello world program, open a Python environment, and in VS Code, or ideally Python, Jupyter Notebook, anything else, or else you can use that Google Colab also. It's purely designed for only the Python program, right? And yes, you just write print off within double quotes. You just write whatever you want. Okay, for example, if you want to give your name over there, you just give your name within the double quotes. If you want to declare a string, you have to must to declare the string within the double quotes. Okay, so that's the only thing it will be seen over there, and you'll be getting the output for the thing what you are given over there. And other language, it will be here also it will be having variables and data types and all, and conditional statement, looping statement, and functions, and one good thing we are having over here is in the data types we will be having list, tuples, and dictionaries and all, right? So in the upcoming lectures we'll be seeing deeply about the list, tuples, dictionaries.